So talagang connect with nature, talagang atake natin ngayon. Hi guys, good morning. And today is Monday and it's pretty late actually. It's almost 10 a.m. Ngayon lang ako mag-jog, which is fine kasi hindi naman ako mag-jog. Mag-walking lang ako. You know, healthy living, kahit late tayo gumigising. We still need to energize our body. And ngayon, let's go na kasi kanina pa ako dapat umalis. Hi guys! So diba? Ganda ng weather. Hindi masyadong mainit, hindi masyadong malamig, parang sakto lang. Which is good para mag-walking. All I need lang talaga is gusto ko na talaga mag-walking kasi para papakin nyo. Okay naman dito mag-walking kasi parang hindi masyadong polluted. Which is good kasi sa city, if mag-walking ka, very polluted. I mean dito, polluted naman pero not that much. Ingay. Usually, nagja-jog ako. Okay. Usually, nagja-jog ako. Pero ngayon, parang di kaya ng powers ko. Kasi, I feel like I'm getting sick. Ay, bibili pa ako ng medicine. When I jog, alternative siya. Example, like today. Instead na mag-jog ako, nag-walking ako. Today and then tomorrow, hindi naman. Tapos, Wednesday, yes. Thursday, no. Kasi parang hindi ako, tamarin. Diyos ko. I've noticed kasi sa self ko, if everyday ako mag-jog, natamad ako after. Ayun, ngayon, alternative na lang. Diba? May nagbabike din. Diba, wala akong AirPods, low bat. And then, wala pa akong data na expire na at hindi naman ako nagpa-plan magpapaload kasi wala na parang class. Tomorrow pa yung class, so tomorrow pa ako magpapaload. So talagang connect with nature, talagang atake natin ngayon. So it's fine naman kasi parang I need this naman to clear my head from all of my problems. Feeler, okay? Yan lang. Guys, aalis ako kasi inutusan na naman ako. And here's a quick fit check. The top is from Adidas, shirt is from Uniqlo, and yung short is Uniqlo din, and yung loafers, school shoes ko pa din. And gagamitin ko ulit yung bag ko, which is Gentlewoman. Here's the fit. So, tapos na ako. Saan ako pupunta? Hi guys, I'm with Nicole. How many yung mga tapo ay?
Hindi na yung mga tapo yun Vanilla.
Ay,
sanata. Mga tapo na yan.
Oh my god. Makeup ako ngayon ni Nicole. Look at all her makeup. Hindi pa yan kompleto, pero that's the most of it. Hi guys, tapos na yung makeup. Makeup by yours, Chili. Thanks, Nicole. Pwede na ako maging
Pwede ka na maging Miss Gay.
Yes,
Yung buhok.
Tapos na kami mag-makeup. This is Juliana's look. Gundus. Patus. Tapos na po kami mag-makeup.
Yes.
Is Batis. Lang guys. Kinuha ko na yung makeup ko kasi parang gaga ako tingnan. Hi guys, so that's it for today. Today was very fun. It was very random too. And andito ako ngayon sa Greenwich. Bibilang ko sila ng lola ng pizza kasi sabi niya bilang ko daw sila. And then after that, uuwi na ako. And kanina we did makeup kami ni Nicole. I did her makeup and also minikapan din ako at first. And doon ako nag-dinner kasi sabi ng tita niya doon na lang daw ako kakain. And also, she invited me to her wedding which I'm very excited. Tomorrow pala, it will be our first day of school which I'm kinda nervous kasi second year na ako. And time flies so fast talaga. Ang bilis lang na nangyayari. And also, stay tuned tomorrow ha kasi I'm gonna post a vlog too. And yeah, I guess that's it for today kasi parang napapagod na din ako and pag-uwi na bye, I'm just gonna take a bath and then matutulog na kasi early pa ako bukas. Thank you guys and bye. See you!